Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to make a quick snack or a light meal. Just depends on what you're in the mood for. Are you trying to eat a lower carb diet? That's what I'm trying to do right now. And I have some Black Forest ham. Just take a few slices. Usually whenever I do this, I like to have about 2 slices per little ham roll. I have some spreadable cream cheese. Whatever brand you like, it doesn't matter. This is a little bit easier than the traditional type of cream cheese. It just spreads easy. It's spreadable. And some bagel seasoning. Now folks, I do like the bagel seasoning, the Trader Joe's brand. To me, it has a much better flavor to it. You may not think so, but that's my favorite. Use your favorite. And we're just simply going to sprinkle that over top of the cream cheese. And we're just going to roll it up. Nothing fancy. Just make 3 or 4 of these for a snack and 6 or 8 of them for a meal. And there you go. It won't weigh you down with carbs. And it tastes great. See you on that next video.